Hi, my name is Dr. Konrad Szymanski and I'm the author of What You Should Know About Your Boy Parts.
Can you tell me a little bit about yourself and what qualifies you to write a book like that?
Well, I'm a board-certified pediatric urologist at Riley Hospital for Children in Indianapolis, and I've been in practice for 9 years. And over those years, I've seen thousands of boys with problems that I talk about in the book. I'm also an associate professor of urology at the Indiana University School of Medicine, and I have a master's degree in public health from the Harvard School of Public Health. My wife and I also have a daughter and 2 sons, so you could say that I have some skin in the game when it comes to boys' health, professionally and personally.
What is this book about?
I tried to write a book that was both family-friendly and lighthearted, while at the same time that would be full of clear and trustworthy facts. There are basically 3 rhyming and illustrated stories for boys, and each of these stories is accompanied by a question and answer section for parents. The book covers the most dangerous and preventable urological problem that boys can have, testicular torsion, where testicle twists and dies if it's not treated quickly. It also goes over the urological issues that parents very often ask me about, and that includes undescended testicles, foreskin problems, circumcision questions, and problems with peeing.
Why did you write this book?
I was inspired to write it one night in the operating room when I found myself having to remove yet another torsed or twisted testicle. The testicle was dead. This 10-year-old boy that I was doing surgery on didn't tell his parents about the pain that when it started. His parents, like many moms and dads, weren't sure when to come to the emergency room. And by the time they did, it was too late to save the testicle. I also see a lot of boys in my practice whose testicles didn't come down on their own. They didn't descend. Mind you, undescended testicles are a very common problem. But too many of these boys see me after the recommended age to do surgery for best results. And so I wrote this book to prevent such situations. I wanted to answer an urgent need to educate boys and parents on basic and potentially very serious problems.
Aren't there books for boys on these topics already?
You'd think that, but no. That's exactly why I wrote the book. Parents and their sons want and deserve reliable information, but really they don't have good resources to turn to. And so I hope my book will change that.
Who is this book for?
It's written for boys 5 to 12 years old and parents of boys of any age.
How long did it take you to write this book?
It took 3 years.
How come no one ever talks about this stuff?
That's a very good question. And it's a challenging and sensitive topic. Many parents feel like they don't have the confidence or the information to go into it with their sons. I totally get that. At the same time, many boys also feel shy to talk about their testicles and penis with their parents. One mom told me, without this book, I wouldn't know how to even begin talking to my son about these things. And I hope that reading these stories with your son can help start some important conversations. Who knows? Maybe these stories might even save his testicle one day.
Where can I get this book?
It's available on Amazon. Just follow the link in the description below. Thank you for your time.